Hi everyone, this is Constance from JoyfulHomeCakes. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this dreamy wave cake with chocolate butterflies on it. So let's get started. First step, I recommend making the chocolate butterflies the day before so they can be stored in the freezer and ready to use the next day. Print butterfly images from the internet. Split the butterfly into 2 pieces. Here I printed 3 sizes of butterflies. I used parchment paper to pipe my butterfly designs onto, as they are transparent, so I can outline the shape. Secure the printed butterfly images as well as the parchment paper on the surface with tape. Prepare the piping bag made by parchment paper. To create my butterflies, I used some dark chocolate chips and white chocolate chips. Melt the dark chocolate chips first with microwave. Just reduce the powder to 50% and heat 15-second intervals. Mix your chocolate thoroughly before starting the next wave to make sure it melts evenly. Slow and steady does it. Pour the melted chocolate into the piping bag. Snip off the end and test the tip. Start by outlining the butterfly and adding a few layers to make sure it is thick and sturdy. Also work on the inside to create some details. I melted white chocolate the same way. Add some blueberry powder to create purple color. And start filling in the cavities for the butterflies, only parts of the wings. I created pink color with strawberry powder to fill the rest part of the wings. This way, the butterflies will be solid and sturdier. Let it dry for about an hour. Use a thick cardstock to create a W-shaped silhouette. Use a new parchment paper sheet, fold this in half, and apply it to the center of this cardstock. Peel the wings off as they come off easily. I then connected the 2 wings together by applying chocolate in the center body. The butterflies were all done beautifully. I placed them in an airtight container and kept in the freezer for later use. Second step, make the chocolate ganache for the layers. 250 grams of heavy whipping cream, already dissolved 40 grams of granulated sugar. Pour into a bowl of 125 grams of 75% dark chocolate. Shake it a little bit and wait for 2 minutes. Stir until the cream and chocolate are fully combined. I always like to use chocolate ganache for the crumb coat to create multi-layer flavors. After it is done, cover the mixture with a plastic wrap and refrigerate it. After 4 hours or overnight, take the chocolate cream mixture from the fridge and stir with a hand mixer until smooth. Now we make the cake frosting. This time I used American buttercream but less sweet version. It tastes so right with my recipe. Add 340 grams of unsalted butter in a bowl, slightly softened. Whisk on high speed until light color and fluffy consistency. Add 208 grams of corn syrup in 3 to 4 additions, mixing after every addition. After all the syrup has been added, mix for 2 minutes at high speed. Add 117 grams of unsifted powdered sugar, 1/2 at a time on low speed. Mix for another minute after all the sugar has been added. Add a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add 3 to 6 tablespoons of cold heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon at a time. Here I added 3 tablespoons so the frosting became lighter and not so creamy. I splitted the frosting into 2 big bowls. The large one I added natural blueberry fruit powder. You can always add more powder if you want darker color. For the smaller batch, I added natural strawberry fruit powder. Here are 2 6-inch chocolate chiffon cakes in order to make the wave cake. I prepared chopped and baked walnuts to mix with the chocolate ganache. And ready to fill and stack the layers. Do a little crumb coat as well. I actually added another layer to make sure my cake is tall enough to decorate all my butterflies. Secure the cake with straws. Here I put 3 straws in it. Cover the straws with some ganache and place in the fridge for later use. To coat the entire cake, I put the frosting in a piping bag with Wilton piping tip number 1A. cover starting from the middle of the top. Also the size of the cake. To get waves on the frosting, make sure it is at least half a centimeter thick. I want it in purple at the top and pink at the bottom. Use longer cake scraper to even out the sides. If there is some holes or gaps, use offset spatula to apply extra frosting in these areas, and then go around the cake again with a cake scraper to smooth out these spots. Use offset spatula to decorate the top. Press the tip of the spatula lightly into the center of the cake and rotate the turntable to create a spiral. Use smaller cake scraper to make waves. Keep your wrist relaxed the whole time. Lightly press the bottom corner of the scraper into the cake. Press only the bottom corner. Rotate the cake making wave-like movements with your hand gradually moving upwards. It really takes some practice, but you can always make your own unique of waves. I wanted to pipe some flowers on the top of the cake. I used Wilton piping tip number 1M for the roses and the Wilton piping tip number 2D for the smaller flowers. Prepare 3 sizes of edible white sugar pearls. Decorate the sides. And a little on the top. Take out the chocolate butterflies from the freezer and start to decorate the cake with them. And we're done. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.